In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin filter on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located underneath the passenger side of the dashboard. I'm in the passenger bay area underneath the dash on the right-hand side where you put your feet. There's a panel that you want to take and you want to pull towards you. It's got 3 clips. Take that panel, put it off to the side. After you take that panel off, you have a panel underneath here. You want to take that. There's a couple of clips. Pull down on those clips. One there, and then there's one in the corner over here. Pull that down, take your panel, unplug your light by pushing down on the tab, pulling that out, put that panel off to the side. This is where your cabin filter is located. It's a cover. It has 2 clips, one up the top, one down the bottom. Take your pick tool, pull out like that. Do the same thing on the top. And remove your panel. And this is your cabin filter. You can just pull it straight out. Just watch for the debris. On your new filter, there is going to be arrows. Those arrows are for airflow, so make sure you put your filter in the correct way. You want your arrows pointing in this direction towards you when you're sitting in the vehicle. So take that, your filter, slide in the hole, make sure it's all the way in. Take your cover, snap it back on, make sure it's secure. Plug in your light harness, wait for the click. Put your panel back up. You have your 2 push button clips. One there, one here. And last, you put your panel back on. You have your 3 tabs, one here, one there, and one there.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.